Hello everyone, my name is Sigflip also known as Assembly, and today I'm going to show you a program that I wrote some while ago, a library in a program that I wrote some while ago called concr. What concr is an encryption program, framework, I guess if you will, that makes it so that you can have programs that read encrypted configuration files. Or partially encrypted configuration files. This works by embedding a private key inside the program itself and having a public key available to concr, which encrypts the configuration file. And so let me demonstrate how this works. I have the package here on my computer. Let's just go the tarball here on my computer. Let's just untar it and configure make it. It requires OpenSSL, and that's about it. So let's make it and make install. The targets are there already. There are a few errors because the targets are there already. I already made install it. This comes with an example program called example, so we can make example. Now what example does is it runs. And if it runs and discovers that there isn't a private key inside of it, it generates a private-public key pair and embeds the private key inside of itself and copies its output to Baby, a program called Baby, and outputs the public key as well. So let's just run example. That didn't take long at all. It generated an RS key pair in 0.00 seconds or whatever. As you can see, it wrote the executable to Baby and saved the public key to public.key. Now what you're supposed to do is put this program into a directory that's owned by root, has read access, and give the file itself execute only access. And so you can't actually read the file, but you can execute it. That's where the security comes in. It's based on the fact that most programs you run are installed as root, and so this one will also be installed as a root. And so let's just run Baby, see what it does. It waits for standard in, so let's echo something to its standard in. Hello. And it echoes hello out. Now there's a program called concr here, which takes standard in and encrypts it for use with the decryptor inside Baby. Specify a key, public key, and that's the output. That's the actual hash of, not hash, but that's the output of hello encrypted by RSA. And put into base 64. Hello again. So let's do hello again. What you can do now is pipe that to Baby, and it decrypts it for you. So you can do mixed messages too. Let's echo hello again to a file called mess. Open up mess. Oops. Echo hello again encrypted to a file called mess. Open up mess. Add some more stuff like state equals 23 and cat mess to Baby. And as you can see, it decrypts the encrypted parts, and it echoes the non-encrypted parts. This is so you can, in a configuration file, have encrypted parts, like a password. The entire idea is to have a password in a configuration file that's not readable. So thanks for watching, everyone, and happy hacking.